Hello everyone, it's me, Ms. Khuna. In this lesson, you have a chance to review the previous lesson and learn about new topic, which is time. First, let's make a quick review about the things that we studied in the previous lesson. Are you ready? Okay, good. The first thing that I'm going to review it with you is days of the week. So be with me and try to repeat it after me. The first day of the week is Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday. Did you get them right? Great, well done. Okay, now let's review another thing, which is months of the year. Are you ready? Let's start. January, January, February, February, March, March, April, April, May, May, June, June, July, July, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. Great, well done, guys. Now, all of you open your learner's book, page 108. Open your learner's book, page 108. Let's start. Here we have a practice about months of the year. Guys, these are months of the year, as I told you before. It starts from January and ends with December. Starts with January and ends with December. Also, here we have 5 questions about months of the year. Let's do it together. Class, are you ready? Good. A. Name the first month of the year. Name the first month of the year. You can look at this chart to get the answer. Use this chart to get the answer. What's the first month of the year? January. Great job. B. Name the month that comes before July. Name the month that comes before July. Look at this chart to get the answer. What month is coming before July? What month is coming before July? Here is July. So the answer is June. Great. C. Name the last month of the year. As I told you before, did you remember? Name the last month of the year. Look at this chart. So December is the last month of the year. Great. D. Name the month between March and May. Here's March. Here's May. What's between? What's between them? April. Great. Well done, guys. E. Name a month that has a special day in it. Name a month that has a special day in it. Students, here the answer is up to you. You can write any month that has a special day in it. That's why I will not write anything, because the answer is up to you. Now, let's move to here. Number 3. Here are the different things that happen to Samir during 1 week. Put them in the right order. Class, as I told you in the previous lesson, it is very important to know the order of the days of the week, because if you know how to order them, you can solve this question. So let's think about it. What's the first day of the week? What's the first day of the week? Monday. Well done. So we will write number 1 next to Monday. We will write number 1 next to Monday. Then, what day is coming after Monday? What day is coming after Monday? Tuesday. Great. So we will write number 2 next to Tuesday. Then, what's coming after Tuesday? Wednesday. Great. We will write number 3 next to Wednesday. Then, what's coming after Wednesday? Thursday. Great job. We will write number 4 next to Thursday. Then, what is after Thursday? Friday. Great job, guys. We will write number 5 next to Friday. Then, what is coming after Friday? Saturday. Great. We will write number 6 next to Saturday. Then, what is coming after Saturday? Sunday. Great job. We will write number 7 next to Sunday. Great job, guys. Okay. Now we have a new topic, which is time. First, I will explain the topic for you. Then we will do the exercises together. Let's start. Time is what we measure in minutes, hours, days, and years. And time is something we deal with every day. Also, we use time to ask or talk about a specific point in the day, which can be stated in hours and minutes, and is shown on clocks. Also, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour and 24 hours in 1 day. Okay? And we can tell the time using a clock. There are 2 hands on a clock. There are 2 hands on a clock. One of them is big, the other one is small. The big hand points the number of minutes. Also, the small hand points to the number of hours. The big one points the number of minutes. The small one points the number of hours. Look at this example. The small one is on 8, and the big one is on 12. So in this case, what time is it? Let's think about it. What time is it? It is 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock, but how? Because the small one is on number 8 and the big one is on 12. That's why the time is 8 o'clock. Now, look at this example. What time is it? The small one is on 9, the big one is on 12. So what time is it? It is 9 o'clock. Great, well done, guys. Now, all of you open your learner's book, page 109. Open your learner's book, page 109. Are you ready? Great. Let's start. Students, I already explained this part for you, but let's look at the blue clock. Let's look at the blue clock. This clock shows that the time is 3 o'clock. Why the time is 3 o'clock? Why the time is 3 o'clock? Because the small hand is on 3 and the big one is on 12. That's why it's 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Great. Well done, guys. Okay, here we have practice. Practice. Number 2. What o'clock times do these clocks show? What o'clock times do these clocks show? Look at A. The small hand is on number 4. The big one is on number 12. So what time is it? What time is it? It is 4 o'clock. Why? Because the small one is on 4, the big one is on 12. That's why it's 4 o'clock. Let's move to B. The small one is on 7, the big one is on 12. So in this case, what time is it? What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Great, well done. C, the small hand is on 5. The big one is on 12. So what time is it? The small one is on 5. The big one is on 12. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Why? Because the small one is on 5 and the big one is on 12. D, the last one. Look at this picture. Look at this clock. So the small hand is on 10. The big one is on 12. What time is it? Think about it. 10 o'clock. Great job. Well done, guys. It's 10 o'clock. Why? Because the small hand is on 10 and the big one is on 12. Now, open page 110. Open page 110. B, measures. Number 1. Maya is measuring 2 leaves using cubes. Leaf A is 15 cubes long. Leaf B is shorter than leaf A. Does leaf B measure more or less cubes? Leaf B is shorter than leaf A. Does leaf B measure more or less cubes? The answer is leaf B measures less cubes than leaf A. Leaf B measures less cubes than leaf A. Why? Because leaf B is shorter than leaf A. That's why leaf B measures less cubes than leaf A. Okay? Number 2. These boxes hold different amounts of blocks. These boxes hold different amounts of blocks. A holds 17 blocks. B holds 19 blocks. C holds 14 blocks. The question says, how many more blocks does box A hold than box B? How many more blocks does box A hold than box C? A is 17 blocks. C is 14 blocks. So how many more? Let's think about it. In box A, we have 17 blocks. In box C, we have 14 blocks. So how many more blocks does box A hold than box C? 3. Great job. Well done, guys. Excellent. Now, put the 3 boxes in order. Do this from the box that holds the least to the one that holds the most. Let's think about it. Which box holds the least? Box C. Great. So which one next? A. Great. So which one holds the most? B. So C holds the least blocks. Then A and then B holds the most. That's why the order should be C, A, B. C, A, B. Now, let's move to C, time. Time. Number 1. Take 12 counters, put a counter on a table for each month of the year that you can see. How many months did you remember? Use a calendar to say the names of the months you still need to learn. Because you're kids, that's why you still need to learn. So, students, the answer is up to you. It depends on how many months you remember. How many months you remember? You can write down here. The answer is up to you. That's why I will not write anything. So, number 2. What time does this clock show? What time does this clock show? The small hand is on 4, the big one is on 12. So what time does this clock show? Think about it. This clock. 4 o'clock. Great job. It's 4 o'clock. Why? Because the small one is on 4, the big one is on 12. Number 3, the last one. Copy this clock, draw the big hand and small hand to show that is 9 o'clock. Okay? So if it's 9 o'clock, the small hand should be on. If it's 9 o'clock, the small hand should be on 9. Great job. And the big one should be on 12. Great job. Well done, guys. Very good. Excellent. So, thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.